Welcome to the Vincennes University Shake Library. This video will show you the basics of searching the library's databases. You may be wondering, what are databases and how are they different from Google? More importantly, why should you use databases instead of Google? To begin with, a database is a collection of information. Are you familiar with Netflix, Hulu? Both Netflix and Hulu are databases. Each one has a collection of a specific group of videos. Every video ever made is not available, just a specific collection. What kind of video you want to watch will determine which one you will use. Library databases are similar to this idea. Each of the library's databases contain a specific collection of articles, journals, and more. Google searches the whole internet, which can be helpful, but it will also provide you with millions of results, some of which may be untrustworthy, paid commercial sites or ads, as well as contain false information. When you use a library database, you can be certain that the information you find is written by people with credentials and authority. You can even make sure the resources you find are scholarly and peer-reviewed, making them the most trustworthy resources available. Searching databases is similar to searching Google, but it requires you to be more specific in your search, so it takes different steps to find what you need. To begin, visit the library's website. You can get to our website by either typing in the address vinu.libguides.com/shakelibrary or by clicking the link on the library's card in VUX. Once there, click on Databases A to Z. Remember, you should log into VUX before accessing any of our databases. From here, choose which database you would like to use. Remember how you would choose Netflix or Hulu based on what you want to watch? Here, you will choose which database to use based on what you want to find. Some of our databases cover a wide range of topics, while others are very focused. You can narrow down your options by clicking on the All Subjects drop-down and choosing a discipline. Or, you can choose based on the type of content by selecting an option under All Database Types. If you're still unsure which database to use, try using one of our featured databases. These databases are listed on the right side of the screen and are our most frequently used databases as they cover a wide variety of topics. For the rest of the video, we will be using Academic Search Complete, one of our featured databases that covers a wide variety of topics. The search box on the homepage of any database allows you to conduct what is called keyword searches. These are similar to Google searches in that the database looks for your search terms wherever they may be on a page. As you can see, the database will give you suggested terms as you start typing. If you want, you can choose the one that fits your search best, which can be a great option to choose, as spelling matters when you perform a search in a database. If you get 0 results, always double-check the spelling of your search terms. On the results screen, you will see that every mention of the words that were searched are in bold, no matter where they appear, whether in the title, subject, or abstract, which is just another name for the summary. If you have too many results, you can narrow down your results by using the options beneath the search box at the top of the page. You can limit your results in a variety of ways, such as by time, source type, and more. Clicking on All Filters will show you all of the options available. One of the options you may want to use is Full Text. Full text means the database has access to the entire article and not just the abstract or summary. If you do find an abstract for an article you wish to access, VU students can request a copy of the full text article through our Interlibrary Loan Service. Learn how by watching our video, Holds and Interlibrary Loans, ILL. Another option you may want to use is academic peer-reviewed journals. These journals have gone through an extensive review process by a panel of experts in that field of study, which is why professors often ask you to use these types of articles in your research. They are articles you can trust because they have been reviewed by experts before being published. You may also want to use the published date option. With subjects that are always changing and progressing, such as science, technology, and medicine, it may be better to use the most recently written resources. If you are still not finding what you need, then it may be time for you to use the advanced search. If you want to learn how to do so, watch our video, Searching Databases, Advanced Searching. A great place to learn more about our databases and how to use them is our database help page, binu.libguides.com/shakelibrary/databasehelp, where you will find guides and videos each database provider has created to help you use their resource. And remember, if you're having trouble, don't panic. You can call, text, chat online, email, or visit Shake Library. We're here to help. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon at Shake Library.